It's a wrap. This is the story about the painting It's a Wrap. I started in June and left the work alone for a while. After the hot days of summer, I continued with the painting. And I thought initially I wanted to paint another work in the series of the climbing forests. But the news caught up with me. I saw images of wooden houses and trees in the USA wrapped with aluminium foil to protect them from the fires. It was intriguing, that image. Detail is that the aluminium foil is reflecting the environment. So when this painting is in your house and it's dark, the foil is dark as well, and you walk past it, it reflects you. Climate stress produces undeniably beautiful images.